an implementing agreement. All the necessary licenses for entering into this executive agreement are already in the NDB and in the VFA.
An implementing agreement, no need for Congress.
Definitely, there's no.
So what about regarding agreed locations? They're trying to say that it's they identified yung numbers, but in locations only the AFP which will negotiate, and therefore parang yung opening it to transparency is lost.
Well, that is because the AFP needs to look specifically at what it needs before it agrees to a particular location.
But yeah, ano yung guarantee dun, sir, syempre, na hindi siya, kasi like, sa military basic agreement,
The guarantee will be the national interest and the considerations of the VFA and the AFP and the president. That is the guarantee.
it will be consistent with the BSA
And consistent with our national interest.
implementing agreement lang siya, why do we need EDSA on top of the past?
EDCA is the implementing agreement. Every now and then we need to articulate at the level of certain details, general commitments, and other specific commitments. That exactly is the EDCA.
So wala talagang nilabag dun sa konstitusyon, yung pagbuo po ng EDSA?
Wala po talaga.
So in a very simple terms, sir, in the interest of the public, why do we need EDSA?
Because the President, the DFA, and the Department of National Defense belongs to me.
In terms of,
National Defense, national security.
what about yung mga foreign insertions in that particular
Well, whatever considerations that they took when they entered into it, we have to assume that it is there.
Did you consider the West Philippines Sea as
Everything was considered. You have to assume.